the applause has died down. Just let me say, it's the first time I've ever presented a gold record. It's a beautiful thing. It looked lovely hanging in the hall, wasn't it? Congratulations. The record of Julie singing The Wedding. I'm falling off my stool. Hang on, just a minute. Singing The Wedding sold about 1 million, but I think it sold a few more, personally.
Well, it's nearing 3 million approximately now.
Is it really? 3 million? I know that it's been number one in many, many countries. Are there any countries that it hasn't been number one in?
Well, it got to number 3 in America, and it got in the top 10 in Israel, but not to number 1.
Oh, do you think it could have got to number 1 in Israel?
Possibly. I think if I'd sang Oy vey Maria instead of Ave Maria.
We would have been saying Mazel Tov. Right, let me take it from you. We've got the set over there because we'd like you to sing this very song. Thank you, Julie. Very big hand then to Julie Rogers. Thank you. And here's Julie with that big number 1 hit of 1965, The Wedding. Here it comes again. Ladies and gentlemen, The Fortunes! When I see that girl go walking by, I know I shouldn't cry. hear this song again. So you're going to. Ladies and gentlemen, shame and scandal in the family. Who else can it be but Lance Percival?
There was a family with much confusion, as you will see. There was a mama and a papa and a boy who was grown, who wanted to marry and a wife of his own. He met a young girl who suited him nice. He went to his papa to ask his advice. His papa said, son, I have to say no. That girl is your sister, but your mama don't know. Hey, oh, it's me. Shame and scandal in the family. Hey, oh, it's me. Shame and scandal in the family. A week went by and the family came down, and soon another girl on the island he found. He went to his papa to name the day. His papa shook his head and this time he did say, you can't marry this girl. I have to say no. That girl is your auntie, but your granny don't know. Hey, oh, it's me. Shame and scandal in the family. Hey, oh, it's me. Shame and scandal in the family. Now he went to his mama and covered his head. He told his mama what his papa had said. His mama, she laughed, she said, go and go. Your daddy ain't your daddy, but your daddy don't know. Hey, oh, it's me. Shame and scandal in the family. Hey, oh, it's me. Shame and scandal in the family. Hey, oh, it's me. Shame and scandal in the family. no wonder that she lives under there. And those I'm with, don't try and change me. Darling, you want me to take me for what I'm worth. You want me to take me for what I'm worth. You're howling wind outside my door. There's restlessness within. Oh, I'm like a rain cloud that one day may burst. We both know I'll be leaving, and if one letter to you breaks, oh, it's all right, come back, all right, well, it's all right, come back, all right, and if you think about me, if you're lost about me, on your lips, there's a sweet word, I'm not excited. Oh, then I'll be coming back one day when my wandering is over. Oh, if you want me to take me for what I'm worth, you want me to take me for what I'm worth. If you want me to take me for what I'm worth, you want me to take me for what I'm worth.
Thank you. That was the Searchers with their latest release. Well, Take Me For What I'm Worth. So far, I haven't been on Thank You Lucky Stars. They recently came over from Australia, but during 1965 they were a very big hit over there. They had 4 records released, all of them became bestsellers, and one of them topped the Australian hit parade. Well, we wish them very best of luck in England with their first release over here. It's called Anytime You're Lonely. Ladies and gentlemen, a very big welcome to the Gibsons. She's a young lady who, during 1965, had a song that reached #1 position, and I think is one of the most beautiful songs of 1965. She wrote it with Tony Hatch. Tony arranged it. She recorded it. Ladies and gentlemen, Where Are You Now, My Love, sung by Jackie Trent. Exactly. Isn't that a beautiful song? Right, ladies and gentlemen, now to our top of the bill spot for this week. Three lads who, during 1965, had such a tremendous success. They're going to sing us a track from an LP that was released recently. It's called More Great Songs from The Bachelors.
When you're lost in the magic of a kiss, I'm much too close to mine. Beware my foolish heart. Should our eager lips combine, then let the fire start.
Well, we've asked the boys to do another song, and they've chosen a track from a new LP that will be released early in the new year. And this song was included in the LP. The LP is called Hello Dollies. Well, you can guess what the song is, yes. Hello Dollies, sung by The Bachelors.
Hello, Dolly, well, hello. Dolly, it's so nice to have you back where you belong. You're looking swell, Dolly, we can tell. Dolly, you're still going, you're still going, you're still going strong. We feel the room sway, or the band playing. You're always some way back so take her out, ballad, around an empty lot, ballad, Dolly, don't ever go away again. Hello, Dolly, hello, Dolly, it's so nice to have you back where you belong. You're looking swell, Dolly, we can tell, Dolly, you're still going, hey, hey, going strong. We feel the room, we feel the while the band is playing, you're
I put this on, I was just wondering. I love that song. I like all the movements.
Yeah.
But you know, I never get the chance.
What?
No, I was wondering, if I could possibly join you in.
What can you do?
I can do it. I can copy you because I did dance.
With all this stuff.
Well, couldn't we do it just a little?
All right, let's have the last 40 bars. Right? Right.